All right, guys, we are in the Boca neighborhood. We just had lunch, which was pretty good, just down the street there. And we're gonna walk down these streets. There's a lot of vendors selling things, kind of similar to San Telmo that we did last Sunday. And we're going to also make our way to the famous Boca Stadium as well. And hopefully next month we probably try to get some tickets to catch a match. But yeah, let's check it out. Olivia's still looking for a Jen jersey. It's been kind of hard to find for his size. You're gonna probably have to get like the same size as the other one we got. Oh, but it's that color you don't like. Yeah, the Miami. Mate cups.
I think they'll all be much of a virtual price window getting.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be hard with this. So this came across a little harbor that's right across from all of the attractions in Boca here. So I'm not really sure what they use these boats for here, but looks like to take trash, probably mostly. And it's extremely hot out here. It's probably like 90+ degrees. We got a break last Sunday, it was like in the low 80s, which is why we went to San Telmo and walked the market. But I think we probably would have did better if we would have came to Boca neighborhood last week instead, because there's definitely more to do and more to see. So far, it's probably my favorite neighborhoods, very colorful, very lively. And you can catch tango on the street, which is a good option if you're into that. There's a lot of restaurants, not a lot, but I've seen a couple restaurants that have places where you can watch tango while you eat steak, drink wine, which is pretty cool. And I was expecting to kind of see that a little bit more in San Telmo as well, but at least when we went last week, we didn't see anything like that. But maybe next time we come out to this neighborhood, we'll catch a tango show and eat some lunch or some dinner or something like that. We definitely will be back. All right, now we're headed to the Boca Stadium. It's like a 5-minute walk from where we are right now. Pretty sure we can't get in, but we can at least get a chance to see like the outside of the stadium. And we'll try to get a video once we actually get tickets to go to a game. So, yep, let's check it out. And here we are approaching the Boca Stadium. I heard these games can get really intense, really fun. We definitely enjoyed our match at River Plate Stadium, the second largest stadium in the world. This one, it's old school, so it kind of reminds me of like Wrigley Field in Chicago. Let's get a closer look at the stadium. We can't get in, but we can get some good shots outside. Boca being the largest football club here in Argentina. One of the best records. All right, so that's going to wrap it up for the Boca tour. We definitely had fun, but it's a little too hot, so we're going to head back home. And there's also a football match, Brazil versus Argentina, in about 2 hours. So we want to watch that. So it's about a half-an-hour drive back to our place in Palermo. But yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.